Hello guys, now you have to solve the assignments. We prefer online GDB to solve the assignments. Now do one thing, copy the link of online GDB for assignment shared in your WhatsApp group. Then just open the browser, paste the link over here, and hit the enter key. Okay na? So then you will be directed to the online GDB site. Just log in with your Google, Facebook or GitHub account. So hit on the login. It will take some time. Okay, after that you will see classrooms enrolled. Okay na? So Archer Infotech Pune C programming training for the PVPIT. Just click over here. Okay na? Click over here. So right now the status is pending. Okay na? For each and every question status is pending. Okay na? What you have to do, just select one question. Just select one question. Read the question carefully, solve the question over here. See, run the code, and when you satisfy, save the code first, and then hit on submit. Okay na? Then hit on submit. Okay, see, after code is submitted, so just click on back to classroom. Again select the next program, then repeat the same thing. Read the question carefully, after that solve over here, run it. When you think that program is correct, then save the code, and then go to the submit. Okay, chalo, thank you very much. Solve all the questions and submit the questions. Okay, thanks from the Archer Infotech Pune. Thank you.